We're Immobiliser fitting. It's the 2019 BMW X5 protected with a Starline Immobiliser. So on this system we've done a gearbox lock, which basically means the car's not going to go into gear and drive away, and the customer can retain the remote start preheat function if they wish. So if a thief got this key, went to steal the vehicle, it's going to go into gear, but as soon as they go to drive away, it's going to go straight back into park. So we'll just show you again, straight back into park. Into park. If it's the customer, obviously if they do that, it's not going to be a problem. They just pop their code in. For now we just have 1, 2, 3. We hear that disarm tone, now we can put it into gear and the vehicle remains running, it can drive, and it's gone into gear and will remain in gear. When they turn the vehicle off, it's going to take 10 seconds to set. So once they've got out, lock the door. If a thief then done a relay attack, went to steal the vehicle, it's going to need that code, or the customer's phone can be paired up as well before it goes into gear and drives away. As you see, swinging straight back into park, unable to drive away. If the customer wants to change this code, they can choose whatever they want between 3 and 21 presses on any supported buttons. To do that, we need to turn the ignition on without starting. So we'll keep our foot off the brake, do a triple tap of the start button, 1, 2, 3, turns the ignition on. Now we do our code, confirming it's us. So the original code was 3 presses. The system will disarm. Now to change the code, we'll do 5 presses. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We'll turn the car off. And then we'll do a triple press back on. 1, 2, 3. The ignition will power up and we'll get 5 bleeps. Because of the 5 presses, it's ready to learn a code. So now we'll set our new code. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wait for a confirmation. And we'll repeat it again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wait for a confirmation. That's our new code set. We can turn the vehicle off and the code change is done. So with the system set, obviously if someone got in and went to steal the vehicle, it's not going to go into gear. It's going to go straight into park. So we'll pop our code in. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wait for our disarm tone. Now we can pop it into gear. It remains in gear, customer can drive away. This also has a service mode. When it goes in for a service, turn the whole system off. That can be done with either the code or the phone. To get one of these fitted, give us a call on 0208 212 7393. Thanks for watching.